every day. Today I'm going through the garden and we're going to be making a freshly squeezed green juice. And this will contain live enzymes, high amount of minerals, and water content. Let's go. I'm also going to be harvesting some of this parsley, but it's still growing, so I don't want to take too much of it. High in calcium. Really good for you. So I'll show you guys what I do. I wash the kale and the parsley in the bowl here, and then just to save water, I'll just end up throwing it back in the garden. Nice way to reuse water. Alright guys, so here I just prepped everything. We got 2 apples, carrots, cucumber, celery, and the parsley that we got from the garden, the kale, and spinach. Lots of leafy greens, and that is important, especially in today's world where so many people are deficient and lack live enzymes, as well as have issues like excess weight or anxiety, depression. The leafy greens are really beneficial because they contain a number of minerals, including magnesium, and that's super important, as well as getting the hydration in from our fruits and vegetables. So we're really packing in a lot of nutrients today, and here we go. Mention in talking about magnesium because it does play a crucial role in managing anxiety symptoms, because magnesium will help with managing cortisol, and cortisol is the primary stress hormone which is released from the adrenal glands. So it helps to regulate cortisol and reduce symptoms, those stress symptoms. Also, it is thought to work by regulating neurotransmitters like glutamate and GABA, and that influences the HPA axis, which is the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal gland connection involved in the stress response. So it's all connected. So that's why magnesium is really important. It's important to get in those greens wherever you can. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. As always, be getting in some whole, healthy, fresh, raw food if possible. Be getting in some sunshine and fresh air, and be getting in some nature. When you do that, well, bait.